Sea shells, with their intricate, sculptural forms and mesmerizing array of colors and patterns, have long been a source of fascination and inspiration for artists and artisans alike. From the delicate spirals of a nautilus shell to the iridescent sheen of a mother-of-pearl fragment, these natural wonders possess an inherent beauty that transcends time and culture. One of the most enchanting aspects of working with sea shells is the opportunity to showcase their individual uniqueness and organic charm. By carefully selecting and curating an assortment of shells, artists can create truly one-of-a-kind pieces that celebrate the diversity and beauty found in the marine realm. A popular and versatile application of handmade sea shell art is the creation of decorative wall hangings and installations. By arranging an array of shells in captivating compositions, artists can transform bare walls into captivating, nature-inspired displays. These shell-based artworks can range from intricate, geometric patterns to more free-flowing, organic designs, allowing the shell's natural forms to take center stage. To add an extra layer of depth and visual interest, some sea shell artists incorporate complementary materials, such as driftwood, macrame, or metal elements, into their wall hangings. The juxtaposition of these natural and man-made components creates a harmonious fusion, echoing the symbiotic relationships found in the ocean ecosystem. Beyond static wall displays, sea shell art can also be crafted into mesmerizing, kinetic sculptures and wind chimes. By suspending delicate shells from elegant frameworks or carefully balancing them on mobile structures, artists can harness the gentle movements of the breeze to bring their creations to life. These captivating, interactive pieces not only captivate the eye but also soothe the senses with their soft, melodic chimes. For those with a green thumb, sea shell art can even find its way into the realm of botanical decor. Carefully selected and arranged shells can be incorporated into the design of terrariums, succulent gardens, and other plant-based displays, creating a harmonious fusion of land and sea. These nature-inspired vignettes not only showcase the beauty of the shells but also highlight the synergistic relationship between the marine and terrestrial worlds. Moving beyond purely decorative applications, sea shell art can also be transformed into functional, everyday items. Artisans can craft delicate, shell-encrusted jewelry, such as necklaces, earrings, and bracelets, that seamlessly blend the organic elegance of the shells with the wearer's personal style. Additionally, sea shell motifs can be incorporated into the design of unique home goods, from serving platters and coasters to decorative bowls and vases. The creative potential of handmade sea shell art truly knows no bounds. Whether you're drawn to the serene, minimalist appeal of a shell-based wall hanging or the whimsical charm of a kinetic sculpture, the options to incorporate these natural wonders into your life and surroundings are endless. These shell-based sculptures can range from abstract, geometric compositions that play with light and shadow, to more representational pieces that capture the essence of marine life, such as schools of fish or elegant seahorses. The key to crafting truly remarkable shell sculptures lies in the artist's ability to thoughtfully curate and assemble the shells, creating a harmonious balance of form, color, and texture. To add an extra layer of visual interest and depth, some sea shell artists incorporate other natural materials into their sculptural works, such as driftwood, coral, or even preserved seaweed. The integration of these complementary elements not only enhances the overall aesthetic but also speaks to the interconnectedness of the marine ecosystem. Beyond static sculptures, the kinetic potential of sea shell art has also been explored by innovative artists. By suspending delicate shell formations from carefully engineered frameworks or balancing them on carefully crafted armatures, these creators have produced mesmerizing, moving sculptures that captivate the viewer with their graceful, fluid movements. Imagine a mobile-like installation, where a constellation of iridescent shells gently sway and dance in response to the slightest breeze, casting ever-changing patterns of light and shadow across the walls. Or envision a towering, shell-encrusted sculpture that slowly rotates, revealing new perspectives and hidden details with each subtle shift. These dynamic, interactive sea shell artworks not only delight the senses but also invite the viewer to engage with the piece, fostering a deeper, more immersive experience. In addition to large-scale sculptural works, sea shell art can also be manifested in the form of delicate, intricate jewelry pieces. By carefully selecting and arranging tiny shell fragments, pearls, and other marine-inspired elements, artists can craft breathtaking necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and rings that capture the essence of the ocean. These shell-based jewelry items not only serve as stunning adornments but also serve as a tangible connection to the natural world. When worn, they serve as a gentle reminder of the beauty and fragility of the marine environment, inspiring the wearer to appreciate and protect the oceans that sustain us. Furthermore, the versatility of sea shell art extends beyond decorative and wearable applications, finding its way into the realm of functional home goods and furnishings. Artisans have masterfully incorporated shell motifs and textures into the design of unique serving platters, coasters, lamps, and even furniture pieces, elevating the everyday with the captivating allure of the marine world. Imagine a coffee table with a surface inlaid with a mosaic of iridescent shells, or a set of exquisite dining chairs with delicate, shell-encrusted backrests. These functional, yet visually striking, pieces serve as a testament to the endless creative possibilities that sea shell art has to offer, blending form and function in a harmonious and awe-inspiring manner. The world of handmade sea shell art is truly a vast and wondrous realm, brimming with opportunities for artistic expression, sustainable craftsmanship, and a deeper connection to the natural world. Whether you're drawn to the serene elegance of a shell-based wall hanging or the mesmerizing kinetics of a moving sculpture, the options to incorporate these natural wonders into your life and surroundings are truly limitless. One of the most crucial aspects of sea shell art is the meticulous selection and curation of the shells themselves. Artists must possess a deep understanding and appreciation of the diverse array of shell shapes, sizes, and textures that can be found in the marine environment. From the delicate, lacy patterns of scallop shells to the bold, sculptural forms of conch shells, each type of shell offers its own unique aesthetic and creative potential. The true mastery of sea shell art lies in the artist's ability to thoughtfully combine and arrange these natural elements into cohesive, visually striking compositions. This process often requires a keen eye for balance, rhythm, and contrast, as the artist must carefully consider the placement, orientation, and interplay of each shell within the overall design. One particularly fascinating approach to sea shell art involves the use of adhesives and binding agents to create intricate, three-dimensional structures. By carefully layering and affixing shells, the artist can construct mesmerizing, sculptural forms that seemingly defy gravity, evoking the fluid, organic movements of the ocean. Imagine a towering, shell-encrusted sculpture that appears to swell and flow, as if frozen in the midst of a graceful dance. Or envision a delicate, lace-like wall hanging composed of delicately overlapping shell fragments, each one carefully positioned to create a captivating pattern of light and shadow. Beyond the visual allure of these shell-based artworks, the process of creating them can also be deeply meditative and therapeutic. The intricate, repetitive motions involved in arranging and securing the shells can induce a state of focused concentration, allowing the artist to tap into a wellspring of creativity and mindfulness. This meditative quality of sea shell art has not gone unnoticed, with many artists and artisans exploring the therapeutic potential of this natural medium. Some have even incorporated sea shell art making into holistic wellness practices, such as mindfulness workshops or art therapy sessions, where participants can find solace and inspiration in the captivating beauty of the marine realm. Interestingly, the sustainable and eco-friendly nature of sea shell art has also contributed to its growing popularity. Unlike many synthetic materials, sea shells are a renewable and biodegradable resource, making them a more environmentally conscious choice for artists and art enthusiasts alike. Furthermore, the very act of collecting and repurposing these natural elements can foster a deeper appreciation and stewardship of the marine environment. By bringing attention to the beauty and fragility of the ocean's ecosystems, sea shell art can serve as a powerful catalyst for environmental awareness and conservation efforts. As you can see, the world of handmade sea shell art is a truly multifaceted and captivating realm, brimming with creative possibilities, therapeutic potential, and environmental significance. From the meticulous curation of shells to the mesmerizing construction of sculptural forms, each sea shell artwork is a unique and awe-inspiring testament to the beauty and wonder of the natural world. So, let your imagination be ignited by the allure of these natural wonders, and embark on your own journey of sea shell art exploration. Who knows what captivating and inspiring creations you might bring to life, connecting with the timeless rhythms of the ocean and sharing its enchanting beauty with the world. Thanks for watching.